We will say only the following on this point. Nature makes a clear distinction between eyes and seeds in plants with a highly differentiated structure. But if we descend to plants with a less differentiated structure, the two become indistinguishable, even for the sharpest observer. There are seeds that are clearly seeds, and gemmae that are clearly gemmae. But it takes an act of reason rather than observation to find the connection between the seeds, which are actually fertilized and separated from the parent plant by the reproductive process, and the gemmae, which simply grow out of the plant and detach without a parent.